Hi, and happy week 5. Child nutrition is so important to the developing child. I remember being a preschool teacher and always pushing healthy meals and healthy snacks to the parents because it is so important. Um, According to the CDC, they want for a healthy development for a child, a variety of fruits and vegetables, whole grains, fat-free and low-fat dairy products, a variety of protein foods, and oils. Um, so for breakfast, I decided to go with a whole grain waffle with strawberries and blueberries. The CDC, like I said, recommends whole grain over any other grain, and lots of fruits and vegetables. Putting blueberries and strawberries with a waffle, a kid's more likely to eat it, especially if you do something like a smiley face or, a heart with the strawberries or something like that. And the CDC also states that eating a healthy breakfast is associated with improved cognitive function, especially memory, and improved mood. So for lunch, I decided to go with turkey and cheese roll-ups. It takes out the bread factor rather than a sandwich going with roll-ups. I would use a low-fat or a fat-free cheese, which covers dairy into a child's, um, daily food intake. The turkey is great protein for a child, for anyone. And I would also pair it with carrot sticks, which is a vegetable. For dinner, I wanted to make tacos. Tacos can actually be very healthy, especially if you do them with lots of vegetables. So the tacos that I would do would be a whole grain shell, soft or hard, um, filled with beef or chicken. Personally, I would go with chicken, but both are proteins. Um, you can fill it with cheese, use a low fat cheese, and plenty of vegetables like tomatoes, lettuce, peppers, whatever you want to put in a taco for vegetables. It's all healthy. And three techniques that I've found and or used to promote healthy food habits is being a role model, which means, also eating healthy. And especially when a child doesn't want to try something, try it for them. They might be more likely to try it. Cooking more meals at home. You're more likely to use healthier ingredients and fresher ingredients if you are cooking from home rather than just getting takeout. And also to get kids involved in cooking. That way you can inform them what they're putting in their body and why it's important, and that can be really fun. Um, yeah.